Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how fix Roblox Memory Dump Error Windows 11. To start, enter CMD on search box. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to open the terminal. After execute the command Chkdsk/F, press Enter. When prompted, enter Y to confirm. Now reboot the system. You must wait for the system to be analyzed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. It will be necessary to wait for the phases to be completed. When the system load, open Roblox to verify. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.